Okay, before I sleep, you guys have to watch this. If you are an aspiring virtual assistant na wala pang budget for headset, you guys have to listen to this. And if you guys wanna get that same headset, I have it linked at sa Yellow Basket.
389 po.
389?
Opo.
Oh, this is interesting. Isa pa nga, Emika ulit.
Good morning po.
Ano yung dulo niyan? Jack or yung pakita mo nga dito sa screen. USB. Pati dito sa screen. Mm. Ay, balik mo ulit. Ibalik mo. Ibalik mo nang marinig kita. Isa pa ulit, Emika.
Parang USB type po, meron po siya. Dalawang ano po yung jack niya.
Isa, in fairness ha, I think this would be the first time na magre-recommend ako ng ganyang may bilog. This call will be recorded and I'd like to ask for your permission na as early as now. May I share part of the recordings para lang mapakinig sa kanila na for 389
Opo.
pesos?
Opo.
Ganyan kaganda yung tunog. Ano yung gamit mo na laptop? I-screenshot nga natin yung laptop specs mo. Baka naman it has something to do with your laptop. What do you think?
Ano lang po to, yung Asus VivoBook po.
Oh, typical na, in fairness, ang ganda ha.